What's going on, guys? Today's another video on how long a $5 fidget spinner spins for and how long $50 fidget spinner for. And one's aluminum and the other's plastic. So let's do it. So just bought this at Walgreens. It's $5, and let's test out how long it spins for. And this one, he got it online, and it cost 50 bucks, and it's aluminum. So let's see how long that one spins for. Fresh out of the box. Let's do it. Feels so cool with this now. Counter up and go. That's that time for the $5 fidget spinner. Let's try the aluminum one now. Let's go. The timer for the aluminum one and go. And that is it. Nice. I don't know which one won, but I'm pretty sure the aluminum one, but I'll have to check out the time later when I'm gonna be editing this video. But most likely the aluminum one, so you guys should get the aluminum one. It costs like $50, and this one costs like $5, but it's like 20 seconds off. So if you guys want the better one, go get the aluminum one online. But if you want this one, you guys can get it at Walgreens, $5. If you guys want to spin longer, you guys should keep using it and add like ball bearing grease on it, and it will definitely help it spin longer and keep going like faster and longer time. So check out my last video over here and subscribe over here. Peace.